Hello, and welcome to our guide on how to measure your kitchen for new cabinets. Whether you're a homeowner planning a remodel, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional designer, this video will help you take accurate measurements for a perfect cabinet fit. Let's get started. First, gather your tools: a tape measure, graph paper, pencil, level, digital camera, stud finder, masking tape, and a straight edge. Start by creating a rough sketch of your kitchen layout on graph paper. Mark all walls, windows, doors, and major appliances. Begin with the walls. Start from one corner and measure the length of each wall. Write these measurements directly on your sketch. Ensure your tape measure is straight and taut for accurate readings. Next, measure from the floor to the ceiling to determine the height of the room. Measure the width and height of all windows and doors. Note the distance from each opening to the nearest wall or corner. For windows, measure from the floor to the bottom and from the top to the ceiling. Identify and mark the positions of electrical outlets, switches, plumbing fixtures, and ventilation on your sketch. Measure the distance of these points from the floor, ceiling, and nearest wall or corner. Use a stud finder to locate wall studs for securely mounting your cabinets. For base cabinets, measure from the floor to the bottom of any windows or obstructions. For wall cabinets, measure from the top of the counter to the ceiling or any upper obstructions. Standard wall cabinet heights are 30, 36, and 42 inches. Double-check your measurements to confirm accuracy. Record all measurements in inches. Take comprehensive photos of your kitchen, capturing key features and any unusual aspects. Photograph key features like electrical and plumbing points. Consider architectural features or appliances that might affect cabinet placement. Review your storage needs. Think about the types and amounts of items you need to store. Plan for workflow efficiency by considering the kitchen work triangle: sink, stove, and refrigerator. Ensure your layout allows for easy movement between these points. In summary, taking accurate measurements is key to a successful kitchen remodel. Double-check your measurements, keep detailed notes, and take plenty of photographs. At Holz Home Design, we help you select the perfect cabinets based on your measurements. Our cabinets are known for quality, durability, and eco-friendly materials. Reach out to us for expert advice and make your kitchen dreams come true. Thanks for watching, and happy measuring. Contact information for Holz Home Design. Visit our website for more information and assistance.